Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here, and welcome to week 2 of our Clarity and Focus series. Last week, we created space through stillness. This week, we're deciding where your energy is going to flow. When your energy is scattered, your mind feels overwhelmed and your progress feels slow. But when your energy is focused, your actions become sharper, your decisions get easier, and your results start to shift. So today, I want you to claim this truth. Your energy is valuable, and you're going to stop pouring into distractions and start investing into your own purpose. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale slowly. Let's lock in together. I choose to focus my energy on what truly matters. I don't have to do everything. I just have to do the right things with intention. I direct my energy toward my goals. I am disciplined with my time and attention. I honor my dreams by giving them consistent effort. Every time I say no to distraction, I'm saying yes to my future. I release the need to be busy, and I choose to be effective. My mind is clear about what deserves my focus. I give my best to the tasks that move me forward. I protect my peace, my time, and my energy. I don't need to rush. I need to stay aligned. Step by step, choice by choice, my focused energy is creating real change in my life. Now take another deep breath in as you exhale. Let go of everything that is not serving your focus this week. And say this with me. I'm focused, disciplined, and consistent. My energy works for me. One more time with conviction. I am focused, disciplined, and consistent, and my energy works for me. Carry that with you into your meetings, your studies, your projects, and remember, it's not about doing it all. It's about giving your best to what matters most. And if today's affirmation lifted your spirit, imagine the ripple it could create for someone else. So go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe to stay aligned with your growth, and share this video to inspire others to rise with you. Together, we're building a space where confidence speaks, peace grows, and purpose lives. Until next time, keep speaking life into your journey. This is Coach Steph reminding you that focused energy always wins. Stay locked in, stay intentional, and I will see you next week for another clarity and focus affirmation. Thank you for listening.